So we are going to do a short attunement to call in all of the beautiful vibration and energy for the Gemini new moon. So we're going to take a nice deep breath in through our nose. And as you're doing that breath in, you're going to fill your low belly like you're expanding a balloon. Your shoulders should stay relaxed, all of the breathing in your belly. And then you're going to exhale nice and slow. We're going to take another nice deep breath in. Breathe that air low into your belly and feel your belly expand. And exhale nice and slow. We're going to do this one more time. Nice deep inhale. If it helps to put your hands on your low belly to feel your belly expand. And exhale. want you to slowly start wiggling your toes and your fingers. Your eyes can remain closed, but begin bringing awareness back to your body. And when you're ready, open your eyes and take a couple of cleansing breaths. If you are somebody that wants to just enjoy the moment and not understand the explanation behind it, you may want to stop the video here. For those of you that are curious about the journey that we just went on, stay around. So with this attunement, I started with an ocean drum to take some of the stress and dissonance that we tend to walk around with during the day out of our system, because we tend to be tight and walk around with all of that stress in our system. And that kind of white noise sound tends to bring a calming effect to the system. Then I followed it with a fertility bowl, because this Tibetan fertility bowl is a really great way to open, because we are seeding the intention for the new moon. So that new moon energy is all about setting the intentions for things that we want to manifest during the month. Then I used Zodiac Third, which is the purple and gold chimes together, to help, again, take any stress out of the system, bring you into a nice calm space. And then I moved on to a new moon fifth, which was the gold and the blue together, because that is the new moon energy. That's the frequency of the new moon, and it's opening the door for all of these new intentions that we're going to seed during the month. Then I used the new moon and the Mercury chime, so the blue and the silver together. Mercury is the chime that we associate with Gemini, and since this is the new moon, I literally played for you the frequency of the Gemini new moon. Pretty cool, right? So then I went on to bring Sun and Hygeia into it, to bring all of these intentions that we are seeding to the highest and best good, shine light upon them, bring vitality and unconditional love into them. And then we moved into the solar seventh. We have the summer solstice this month, so that felt like a really beautiful transition to me, and then grounded the entire thing with an Om octave, the sound of the frequency of the earth. Now, Gemini is an air element, or an air sign, so I brought the air element into this with the air Koshi chime, and then sealed the whole thing with the sunray Zephyr chime and all of that unconditional love and sunshine, so that everything that we are seeding will grow and bear fruit throughout the course of the month. Wishing you so much love and all of the best for everything that you are seeding for this Gemini new moon. May it all come to fruition in the highest and best good. Thank you for joining me.